Is the HoverAir Aqua just a splashy color, or the first waterproof drone you can actually take seriously in 2025? Think lakes, docks, and open water, the places other drones treat like instant game over. Trust me on this one. The Aqua changes the conversation with sub-2, 4, 9G weight, a bright rescue ring design, and a camera spec that screams, "Shoot first, towel off later." Stick around. 2 minutes from now, I'll tell you who should buy this and who should pass. You know what's funny? How safety orange suddenly feels premium. That bold ring doubles as "Find me fast" visibility if the drone drifts. A small status screen under the hover badge means less phone fiddling, more power on fly. The body feels built for water days. Sealed seams, splash ready, under 249 grams, so it stays travel friendly with no paperwork. The real intrigue, the layout and wider props hint at water takeoffs. That's huge. Docks, shorelines, even choppy starts. These blades look tuned to punch through drag. Runway? Optional. Paddle out, power up, lift off. Add the companion beacon and it's clear they were designed for open water. On paper, it's impressive. In practice, we'll need demos. But the hardware screams confidence. Specs are one thing, but user experience, whole different game. Aqua's packing a flagship class 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor and claims 4K at 100 frames per second. Translation: crisp daylight footage, legit slow-motion splashes, and enough dynamic range to keep highlights from nuking your sky. If you shoot reels, shorts, or action cutdowns, that 100 frames per second gives you cinematic breathing room without hauling a cinema rig onto a kayak. In a minute, I'll explain why high FPs and water are best friends. Side by side, the difference is clear. Many mini drones tap out when the breeze gets feisty. Aqua boasts level 7 wind resistance with a 55 km/h top speed. That's beach day didn't ruin my shot energy. The orange visibility helps you keep orientation, while that top display speeds pre-flight checks. If Hover nails the tuning, you're looking at a plug-and-play flight feel. Turn it on, glance at status, push up, and go. Add in 15 plus waterproofing adaptations. Think sealed ports, drains, coatings. And it reads like a platform that expects to get splashed and keep working. Here's the deal. If you care about stress-free water shooting, Aqua's workflow is the story. Launch by the dock, track a paddleboarder, slow-mo the wake, and recover without a white-knuckle landing sprint. The bright ring doubles as "Spot me fast" when you're scanning sunlight on waves. And that companion beacon? That's your insurance policy when glare and drift get spicy. Meanwhile, creators get the holy trio: sub-2 49 grams convenience, high FPS 4K for edits, and rugged design that doesn't flinch at spray. Think travel vlogs, fishing trips, jet ski B-roll, beach proposals, yes, really, and marina real estate. So, is the HoverAir Aqua the best waterproof drone of 2025? For piers, kayaks, or coastlines, it's the most exciting sub-250 gram water-ready option right now. A 1/1.3-inch sensor with 4K at 100 frames per second, level 7 wind resistance, 55 km/h speed, and a visibility-first design check, all the boxes. If you need top-tier dynamic range, full obstacle avoidance, or enterprise mapping, look elsewhere. But for creators who want to fly near water without fear, this is the one to beat. Best waterproof mini of the year. Drop your thoughts below. And if this helped, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Next, we'll cover accessories, water flight tips, and editing tricks.